Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix error 182 AMD software installer detected AMD graphic hardware in your system configuration that is not supported. So there are three possible codes here: embedded AMD Radeon graphics, legacy AMD Radeon graphics, and customized AMD Radeon graphics for OEM system. So the first solution for the embedded AMD Radeon graphic, you can visit AMD driver and support. In order to install the driver, you cannot install the Adrenaline. So there is a special driver for embedded. You can click on graphics and try to search Radeon embedded. Click it. Now you can search your embedded GPU, for example this one, the HD series HD5770 embedded. Submit and search your operating system, and here we go, AMD embedded GPU and APU. So you can download it for free and install on your system. So let's get back for legacy AMD Radeon graphics. This is for the old graphic card that you had. This is the desktop list and mobile list. If you have one of your GPU on this list, and also this for the APU, you need legacy driver. You need the old driver like a Catalyst, not the Adrenaline. For example, you can go to the drivers and support by product. You can click on graphics again. Sorry, we need to reload. So let's start by click graphic and search for legacy graphics. Search your Radeon, usually the ATI series. This one, AT Radeon series. Submit and search your operating system. So Catalyst software suite is ready to download. This is the classic one. And last, for the OEM system, you can try to download the driver or obtain the driver from the from the OEM system builder or partner manufacturer. You can visit the official website. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and subscribe next button below. See you in the next video.